In the quiet moments before the world awakens, there is a sacred space. It begins not with a rush, but with a pause, a simple, grounding ritual, a warm mug held between your hands, the steam a soft, fleeting dance against the cool morning air. This isn't just about waking up, it's about arriving in the present moment, before the day's demands begin to pull at your attention. It's a quiet promise to yourself to stay connected, to stay present, to simply be. The blank page of a journal waits. It's not a task, but an invitation, a space to untangle the threads of thought, to give voice to the whispers of the heart. What intentions will you set for the day? Not grand ambitions, but small, mindful anchors. To listen more than you speak, to find beauty in the ordinary, to offer yourself the same grace you so freely give to others. Each word is a seed planted in the fertile ground of the present, a map back to your own center. And in this quiet space, you turn your attention inward, to the gentle rhythm of your own breath, the most constant and loyal companion. Inhaling peace, exhaling noise. This is the practice of mindful coexistence with yourself. It's the recognition that you are a living, breathing ecosystem of thoughts and feelings. Not all of them need to be acted upon. Some just need to be witnessed, held with compassion, and allowed to pass like clouds in the vast sky of your awareness. This inner peace radiates outward, changing how you see the world. Suddenly, you notice the intricate details you once overlooked, the resilience of a tiny sprout pushing through the soil, the way light filters through the leaves of a tree, painting shifting patterns on the ground. You begin to understand that you are not separate from this world, but an integral part of its delicate, interconnected web. Your breath is the wind's breath. Your stillness is the mountain's stillness. As the day draws to a close, you carry this awareness with you. Stepping out to meet the horizon, you see not an ending, but a transition. The vibrant energy of the day softens into the calm reflection of the evening. This is mindful coexistence, a dance between doing and being, between the world within you and the world around you. It is the art of living fully, with an open heart and a peaceful mind, one present moment at a time.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.